This video will show registered clients how to add a live or demo account. If you have not yet registered or opened an account, check out our video, How to Register and Open a Live Account. Click on Login at the top right. Enter your registered email address and password to log into our portal. Once you are logged in, click on Live at the top left, and select Add Account. Click on Open New Account on the top right corner. Select your account type and currency. For demo account, you will have the additional field called Initial Deposit. We recommend that your demo amount matches your live amount. This will give you a more realistic approach to trading. Your new account will be created. You can also find your new account by clicking on the Live tab on the portal homepage.